Hello everyone, let's have a very nutritious snacks for the kids. So let's start with heating the pan. Put this oil. I use the mustard oil. Swirl it all over the pan. Put these two dried chili. Fry a little bit. Then add jeera or anise. Just 1/4 spoon is enough. Add a little bit of garlic, crushed garlic. I did not remove the skin, so it's up to you if you want to remove it or you don't want, but it's your choice. Now add the potato chips, cut potatoes, mix it, fry it a little bit. Put salt, just a little bit of salt, you can adjust later. Now put the pepper, just a little bit of pepper. Close it for 3 minutes. Let it boil, let it cook for 3 minutes. Now mix it again. Keep on frying for another 3 minutes until it's cooked. Shake it. Yes. So look at that. There is a brown color. Very nice. With that garlic. Smell nice. Kids will love this. Now put the seasoning. Kasturi methi. It is a dried fenugreek leaves. It's good smell. Now you can add chili powder, but this is optional. If you don't want chili, just you want to keep it like regular potato, no chili, it's your choice. Then you can add a little bit of lemon juice, or you can use the raw mango powder, but I don't have, so I use this lemon, just a pinch of lemon for the taste. So your potato now is ready. You can give it, you can eat, you can give it the kids. Yummy. Kids will love it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.